Hi, Simon McGrath at Classic Cars and Coffee, University of Western Australia. Welcome to part 2 of this series. Hey, I'm with Peter. Peter's the proud owner of this Tatra. What year is it, Pete?
1974.
A 74 Tatra. That's very late in the production, isn't it?
No.
Well, hang on. Do they still make Tatra?
No.
They stopped. So when did they stop?
They stopped in 75.
And this is a 74.
Yeah, it was first made in 73.
Okay.
So it was made in 73.
Yeah.
It was taken back by Tatra and
Yes.
remade in 74.
Okay.
So it was they didn't sell these cars, these were government owned.
I see. So this is a communist bloc.
Yes.
This is a most interesting car. Firstly, everything I look at, the finish is beautiful. The chrome work, the finish. There's a great sense of quality about this car. Made in Czechoslovakia for government officials. They have a rear-engined, air-cooled V8. Now just let that sink in because that's a really weird configuration for normal cars. But I was talking to Peter earlier and he was explaining that they have a petrol-driven heater that is located under the driver's seat. Peter's got a diagram here of the flame that you can see here inside the canister, and that's underneath the seat while you drive the car. It's insane. A most interesting car. How did it come to Australia? How did you get to have it?
It was brought into Australia by Izzy Herzog in 2000.
Right.
Izzy Herzog was a Czechoslovakian who was very successful as a businessman.
Yes.
In Melbourne, was a large car importer, property owner.
Right.
Very, very wealthy man. And he brought this in 2000.
Peter, it is a fabulous car.
Yes.
I love the fact that it's so eccentric and so interesting. But the thing that surprises me most for a communist bloc car is the quality of its finish, its execution. It's literally beautiful.
This is the original.
Oh, right. The first aid or
first aid gate.
Oh, sensational.
From the like everything.
There's also so much detailed work in this car. The back window is a split window, has a really delicate use of chrome work around the outside of the back window. It's got air scoops down the side of it. It is just the weirdest thing, and yet it absolutely works. It's gorgeous, and it looks great in black too.
It's the only colour they made, except for one.
You can have a choice.
Yeah, no, they made one for Castro in white.
Okay, because hot climate.
Yeah.
So, look, Simon McGrath, Classic Cars and Coffee. Thank you so much, Peter. It's an amazing car. I really enjoyed talking to you. Thanks so much. Did you bet my problem? Simon McGrath from Classic Cars and Coffee, Western Australia University. I'm here with Tom Smith. Tom's the proud owner of this fantastic Volvo wagon. Describes an Amazon wagon, is that right?
That's correct. Amazon, also known as a 122 or 121, depending on which
Make
model.
up your mind, Tom. Jeez.
Amazon.
These Amazon wagons are quite rare and becoming more and more desired.
Yeah.
This one, what have you done to it, Tom?
So with this one, when I got it, it was pretty much as is. I've essentially added some lowering springs and some sports dampers to it. I also sent the curbs off to SU in Medell and got them sort of brushed over.
Sorted out, yeah.
But other than that, I pretty much just maintain it, enjoy it. I am planning a bit of a hot motor for it, but that'll come sooner down the line.
Tom, what do you love about this car?
For one, it's a wagon. As much as I love the sedans, it's just there's something about the station wagon shape that I really like, especially in the Amazon form.
definitely looks very cool.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Really cool.
Thanks.
Well, Tom, enjoy your wagon, and it's
Yeah.
been great chatting.
Good chatting.
Thanks
to you,
very
mate.
much.
Cheers.
Cheers.